Hi crafters, Raquel here with Paints and Glitter. I'm coming along today to share with you how you can use the beautiful Nuvo products from Tonic Studios. Here I am sharing with you how you can recycle some items and also use the embellishment mousse from A Lifetime of Adventure. This was available in the Tonic Craft Kit number 70, and you can still pick this up. This is available to you. So what I've done is taken a carrier sheet, which is typically used to house the dies in your kit. And as you can see here, I'm taking a spatula and adding the Nuvo mousse as well as the stone drops available in this kit. And I am mixing these together on that piece of acetate, which I will later incorporate into a card. In this video, you're going to see how I manipulate these materials, and the one thing that I'm going to encourage you to do is just to take out the supplies that you have in your stash and have a play. This is a wonderful rainy day type of activity. As you can tell there, I did nothing special, just taking the spatula and whatever material was on there, I applied it both onto the acetate as well as a piece of card. Now I always keep a bottle of water on my station, and I do have some inexpensive paint brushes. With this brush, all I'm doing is picking up the watered down Nuvo mousse that was on my table here, and as you can see, I am applying this in the same motion or the same direction over and over. And because that brush was dry and there's actually very little water on it, it gave me a bit of a dry brush technique, if you will. And then I did follow that along with more of those stone drops. If you're unfamiliar with the stone drops from Tonic Studios, they do leave a sandy texture, and you also have different ways that you can apply all of these materials. So far you've seen me use a spatula, a dry brush, and now a foam applicator. So you can apply these colors in whichever way you like. You can definitely mix and match whatever you want to, and also apply as little or as much as you like. And if you've ever wanted to make your own custom background papers, this is your opportunity to do so. You can match them to every project. And here I'm sharing with you some images of how I created the other card, which was onto vellum. By using a die, I created my own stencil. I applied Nuvo drops to the background and then layered some leftover pieces of card that I cut out using the kit. You can definitely use the same techniques that I've shared with you today, and my hope is that you lose the fear of crafting, use what you have, come up with unique ideas, and of course you won't know what they are unless you give yourself the opportunity to play and have some fun. It's the best way to learn. I hope that you do enjoy this tutorial. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and as I always say, that you can be inspired and be blessed, and I thank you so much for watching.